Hey guys, how's it going? Josh here, and I want to share with you in this video my favorite tech of the month. Each month I'll share with you guys my favorite tech of the month. This could be things that I just discovered, new products, or just things that help make my life a little bit easier using tech. Before we get into all that, just take one quick second and hit the subscribe button and also notification bell so that way you don't miss any videos from me, and also follow me on all the social networks. All those links are down below in the video description. First up is the IOT Wireless Car Charger. This thing is something I use all the time. I've got pretty much all wireless charging devices. I got the Galaxy S9, I had the Note 8, the iPhone 10, my wife has the iPhone 8 Plus, so it just really works to have that wireless charger inside of our vehicle. And again, we use it all the time. I like to have a car mount. I like to mount up my phone up on the dash, and especially when it's wireless charging, that's even better because I don't have to fiddle around with any kind of cords or anything like that. So it fits on the windshield really tight and secure too. There's been a couple times where I wanted to use it in my other vehicle and had to take it out, and it's actually pretty difficult to do so. It's got that real sticky kind of residue, but the suction on it is really strong too. So just rest assured that once you put this on there, it's gonna be really nice and secure. That's one of the things I do like about it. Best of all, it's got fast wireless charging built in. So it's not just a regular wireless charger that's mounted up on your car. You get the quickest wireless charger that you can get with that device combination. The other thing I really appreciate about this is that you can use it one-handed. It's easy to just kind of reach up, hit the button, pull it down to get off of it. But then when you're mounting it on, all you got to do is push it against the back and it snaps in place really quick and easy. So that's probably one of my favorite things about this wireless charger. My two favorite things about it is that it's fast wireless charging and it's just easy to operate with one hand. Next up are the Bose Quiet Comfort 35s. These things were pretty cool. I did a little bit of traveling while I had this, and the thing I like about it the most is that it's got that noise canceling technology built inside of it. So it really does block out any distractions, especially like stuff like car noise or airplane noise, just things like that. So it's really nice to be able to concentrate on the stuff that you're trying to concentrate on. Heck, even if you're just not playing any music, these things are good for just blocking out noise like that. So if you're studying or if you just need to block out the world around you, these definitely do the job. So it definitely quiets down the environment around you, but it also sounds really good too. These things pack a nice punch. It's got a good bass line to it. Let me back up for a second though. I am no audiophile by any means. So if you're looking for like the intricate details, the stuff that those kind of guys look for, just know from my average user opinion is that these sound really good. I was impressed with how much bass it had, how much trebles, mids, lows, all that kind of stuff. I'm a little bit musically inclined, but not like an audiophile kind of guy. But anyways, I really liked using them for video editing. I really liked using them just to be able to kind of concentrate on the stuff that I was working on, especially at my work desk and things like that. Wireless is just nice because you don't have to worry about getting tangled up. You don't have to worry about a cord getting in the way. I just like wireless headphones. So it was nice to be able to use these for a little while. I appreciate Verizon for sending this out to me. So I'm going to transition over to the other thing that they sent me, which is the Samsung Desk Wireless Charger. This thing is really nice. It's probably the nicest wireless charger I've ever used. So obviously this works really well with Samsung devices like the Note 8 or the Galaxy S9, 9 Plus, but it also works well with other wireless charging devices. So I'm using a mix between my S9 or the Note 8 when I had that, but also my iPhone 10s. My biggest issue with wireless charging is that, especially with the ones that lay flat on a desk or surface, is that you can't really interact with the device unless you're just kind of hovering right over it. But with this one, it props it up. It's like a stand and a charger in the same sense. So you're able to interact with the device, and especially with that iris scanning, you get the face recognition and stuff like that. If you have it close enough to your face on your desk, you don't have to actually pick up the phone. You don't have to hit the fingerprint sensor or anything like that. So it's a really cool option because you're able to interact with the device without actually taking it off the charger. And that's my biggest thing about wireless charging is that you're not supposed to really interrupt the charging. You're supposed to like let it go all the way up to the charge and then let it decrease all the way down and then charge back up. So in the past, if you needed to interact with your device with it laying down on the flat surface, you'd have to pick it up and it would interrupt that charging. And because of that, it just kind of takes away from the battery health. Those are 3 of my top tech items that I've been using this month. I'll leave a link down below in the video description of where you can find these at. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know what your favorite product was down below in the comments. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.